World AIDS Day is celebrated on the 1st of December to raise global voice against HIV/AIDS and its ill impact on human health. In this short video, we are going to discuss the current status of HIV/AIDS, control measure, and many more things. The theme for AIDS Day for the year 2025 is Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, calling for sustained political leadership, international cooperation, and human rights-centered approaches to end AIDS by 2030. As per WHO report in 2024, an estimated 40.8 million people were living with HIV globally, approximately 630,000 people died from HIV-related causes, and an estimated 1.3 million people acquired HIV in 2024. As per UN Chief Guterres, every 25 seconds, someone in the world is infected with HIV, and 1/4 of people living with HIV, more than 9 million people, lack access to life-saving treatment, he added. This explains the whole gravity of situation. It is important to understand that global efforts shown great results to curb HIV/AIDS, and there is global promise to end HIV/AIDS up to 2030. The 2030 Agenda for HIV/AIDS refers to the global goal of ending the epidemic as a public health threat by 2030, aligning with Sustainable Development Goal 3.3. Key targets include reducing new HIV infections and AIDS-related deaths by 90% from 2010 levels, and the more recent 95-95-95 targets for treatment coverage. The agenda also emphasizes ensuring the sustainability of the HIV response beyond 2030 through integrated health systems and continued funding. Key messages for AIDS Day 2025 include prioritize and integrate, address inequity, scale innovation, and empower communities. With these aspects in mind, there is need of political will and public participation to curb the menace of HIV/AIDS across the globe. There are some important social aspects which prevent the whole-scale efforts to eliminate this disease from the society. One of the important aspects is social stigma related to HIV/AIDS. In some societies, HIV-infected patients are considered untouchables and they face social isolation. This trivial things does not help the cause preventing HIV/AIDS, rather it increases the burden. The important takeaway on the World AIDS Day is that we need to develop concerted efforts to curb the menace of HIV disease. For this, there is need of education and awareness, use of innovative strategies, rights-based approach to human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, and development of effective vaccine.